Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Plug in the receiver and power on the headset to start pairing. You should begin by removing any other Bluetooth or wireless audio dongles from nearby USB ports to avoid interference. Next, insert the HyperX wireless dongle into a USB 2, 0 or 3, 0 port on your PC, USB 3. 0 is fine, but try a rear port for stable power. Turn on the Stinger Core headset with the power button and wait until the LED indicates pairing. Once you see a flashing LED, the headset and dongle will negotiate a connection. Once paired, install or update the HyperX Ingenuity or Windows drivers so you can manage mic, equalizer, and battery status. Open Device Manager to confirm the headset appears under Audio Inputs and Outputs. If it shows as generic audio device, right-click and choose Update Driver, then search automatically. Make sure Windows Sound Output is set to the HyperX receiver in Sound Settings, and set the input to the headset mic. For best latency, disable Bluetooth audio on the PC and use the USB dongle exclusively while gaming. Finalize by testing audio and microphone in a game or voice call. Play a test sound and record a clip to verify clarity. If volume is low, check both Windows Mixer and in-game audio levels and use Ingenuity to boost output or apply an EQ preset. For persistent issues, power cycle the headset and reinsert the USB dongle, then repeat pairing. If you have trouble, one key troubleshooting tip: move the dongle to a different USB port or use a 1/2 USB extension to reduce radio interference from the PC chassis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.